Hi, I'm Alex, and this is a quick flow. Begin standing. We're gonna do some sun salutes, create some energy in the body. Inhale, sweep your arms overhead. Seal the palms, glance up at the ceiling. Exhale, forward fold, soft knees. Step the right foot back to a lunge. Left knee stays over the ankle. Left foot back to plank. Press the mat away, engage the core. Chaturanga, shift the weight forward, lower halfway. Inhale, upward dog, tops of the feet down, lift the knees. Over the feet, downward dog. Right foot up between the hands. For a lunge, adding on a lunge twist, left hand down, right arm up. Draw the lower belly in, right hand down, press up, soft knees, forward fold. Round up to stand. Arms overhead. A gentle back bend. Breathing through the nose, seal the palms, lift. And reach up, out, forward fold. Left foot back to a lunge. Right foot back to plank pose, hold. Chaturanga, upward dog, downward dog. Left foot steps up between the hands, lunge. Lunge twist. Open up, fingers spread wide. Left hand down. Press up to a forward fold, a little bit longer this time. And press up to stand. Arms overhead. A gentle back bend, lift and reach. Lift up, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift, shoulders draw back. And from here, set the hands down, plank pose. Chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Step the right foot up between the hands. Warrior one. Back foot is flat. Train track your heels a little bit. Work the left hip forward, pull in the core, and reach the fingertips up as you unbend the elbows, relax the shoulders. Hands to the mat, frame the right foot, lift the back heel for a lunge. Plank. Vinyasa back to down dog. You can always lower to your knees if you need to for your chaturanga. Meet back in down dog. Left foot steps up, warrior one. Flatten out the back foot. Right edge of the right foot is working its way down. Square your hips to the top of the mat. Press through the feet and unbend the elbows as you lift. Exhale, float the hands down, set up a lunge on the left foot. Left foot back to plank, one more, chaturanga. Upward dog. Downward dog. Look between the hands, walk or hop forward, forward fold. Long exhale, stretch the legs. Bend the knees, sit back, chair pose, Utkatasana. Awkward. Relax the shoulders away from the ears, tailbone away from the fingertips, wiggle the toes. And press through the feet. Stand up, arrive just as we began. Gratitude for the breath. Namaste.